Hello everyone, welcome to the very first video of learning GoLang. In this video, we will see how we'll set up the GoLang environment in our laptop so that we can start developing. So the very first thing we will do is we'll search GoLang in our browser and we'll go to go.dev. Then we can click on download, and based on our operating system we can install the package. So my laptop is the Apple macOS M1 chip, so Apple processor, so I'll install this. So once I have downloaded the installer, and we just have to click continue and install. It will ask for password if it is a Mac, and it will take some time to install all the binaries related to the Go, and we will be ready to go. So we'll just wait for a few minutes, and once it is done I'll come back. So the installation was successful, so we can close this code editor and we'll install some extensions related to Go. So thank you for watching this video. We'll connect back in the next video.